Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have changed our channel's name from Cookers and Tech to VR's Info for some reason. Anyhow, new year, new name. Let's take it like that. But we won't change it every year, so don't worry guys. So guys, let's get straight into the point. So welcome back to our channel VR's Info. So in today's video, we'll be doing something very interesting. It's based on the topic editing and it's inspired from KGF movie, and most importantly, it's the first time on YouTube. So guys, I hope you all are very excited. So we'll be creating fire text animation in your Android phone with the help of the applications Pixel Lab and KineMaster. So guys, it's not done in any PC software. No After Effects or Premiere Pro is involved in this. Only KineMaster and Pixel Lab. So let's get started with it. So first of all guys, you need to have KineMaster and Pixel Lab installed on your phone. Then next you need to open Pixel Lab application. So guys, this is Pixel Labs home screen or Pixel Labs interface guys. So it's in a horizontal interface because I have disabled the rotation lock option. If you want a vertical interface, then you need to on that rotation lock option guys. So there is no change in the features guys, so no worries. So first of all guys, we need to change the background color. So we need to click on this fourth option, color, click on this plus icon and bring the second bar towards the blacker end and click on OK. So you can see that the background color has changed into black. Now a new text, this box has been provided by Pixel Lab. Now you need to click on this pencil icon and then edit your text. So we have taken fire, so fire we need to split it into letters. So first comes F. So we need to type capital F and done. Okay. So guys, we can also change our font. We need to come into this A option and go into the fonts option. So Pixel Lab provides a lot of fonts. You can use any of those fonts, but if at all you don't want to use these fonts, you're not satisfied, you can come into my fonts and add your custom fonts. So how to get this custom font guys? So first you should open your Chrome browser guys, and there you need to type dufont.com. So when you type this dufont.com, a website appears in where you can find a lot of fonts. You need to install and unzip these fonts to use it in Pixel Lab. So for here I have the Harry Potter font, the KGF font, the Avengers font, but my favorite font is the Megawave caps. You can just go to dufont.com and type it, or I'll give the link of this Megawave fonts in the folder in the description below. So you need to adjust it. You need to adjust the size guys. Then you need to go to color and change it to black, and then you need to go to this stroke option and enable it and click on the plus icon below, and then you need to go into the orange option because as we are doing fire, orange would suit better for it. So go to orange. Red doesn't suit much well guys, so I'm preferring orange. Then click on OK. Then you need to select the stroke width guys. For me 10 is looking good, so 10 is enough. Then you need to click on the stick option and go to inner shadow option guys, enable it, and the orange which we used for stroke is available out here guys. Click on that and make blur radius around 15 guys. Once you're done with it, click on the tick option, and then you need to go into the relative position option and bring it into the center guys. So this is an optional step just to make your thing look good. Then you need to click on this save option, save as image, and the dimension I'll make it to ultra and save to gallery. Now you need to click on this pencil icon guys and change it to capital I because that comes after F in fire. So no need to repeat all those processes again because it automatically comes because we are just editing the main text. So save as image, default dimension you need to change it to ultra and save to gallery. And now you need to edit I to capital R guys. You need to do the same process until all your letters are done. Next we need to give a golden texture for this guys. So what we need to do is you should come to this A option and go to the stroke and disable the stroke option. Click on done. Go to inner shadow and disable that, and then go to texture and click on the texture option. So in the Google Drive folder, I'll also give a link of this texture, guys. You need to just download that. So it's a golden background texture. So guys, you need to select only the lighted golden part out here. No need to select the dimmed ones. So just you need to crop until there and click on the tick option, and then click on maintain aspect ratio, and then you need to just scale it according to your adjustments. So once you're done with all that, you need to click on tick option, save as image, change the dimension to ultra and save to gallery. You need to do the same process even for the other remaining letters. So once you're done doing these processes with all the letters, you should exit Pixel Lab and you need to open KineMaster application. After opening KineMaster application, you need to click on the plus icon and choose 1:1 ratio. And then you need to click on the background option and select the black background, and you need to put it up to 10 seconds, guys. Then click on layer, media, Pixel Lab and insert any one letter, guys. So I'll bring F inside and then I'll adjust it in my screen. And then click on layer, handwriting, and keep the brush pen and stroke in the second one. Keep the color black, guys. Now we are gonna give in animation using this handwriting. So guys, I'm doing two-way in animation, guys. So one end I'll start rubbing off this orange color outline. You guys should also do the same way. First you need to actually divide it into two parts and you need to do it on one part, and then you should stop it out here. Click on the second option out here, come into out animation, erase in order, and select 1:5. Again click on layer, handwriting, keep the same settings, guys, and start giving the in animation. You need to brush off the outline and then click on this option and out animation, erase in order, same speed, guys, 1.5. Then click on tick. So now we'll give the flamey effect for this. So guys, as it's out animation, it would come out at the end of handwriting, and then you should decide how long this F should stay even after it gets revealed. So depending upon that, you need to extend your F letter. Then click on layer effects and install the mirage effect from the asset store, guys, and then add this mirage effect. So extend this mirage effect in the full 10 seconds, guys, and then go to the settings of this mirage effect and keep the strength 20 and speed also you need to keep 20, guys, and mode should be 2. Keeping this the optimum results, the best flamey effects would come out well, guys. You can see how the flamey look is coming out there. Watch your video once again if it is coming properly, guys. So if it's coming properly, then no need to break your head, you can just go on. So now here, guys, let's import the golden texture image, guys. So before that, we need to make some arrangements for it. That is, we need to cut off this fire effect and the mirage effect before it. So both of them should exit the screen at the same time, guys. So cut it at the same time and give out animation for your letter. Keep fade and keep 0.9 as the speed, and then click on tick option and then adjust it a bit, and at the same place click on layer, go into media and import the F golden texture image. and then come to blending and click on screen option guys. Come back and it's done. So now you need to measure the the area required for this, and you need to fit this F into the frame of the Flamey F. So this seems perfect guys. Yeah, this is perfect guys. So now what you need to do is click on in animation, fade, and keep the same speed 0.9, and then click on take option, then watch your video from the start guys. So it's come out well guys. You can export your video now. So you should do the same thing for the other remaining letters also guys, and remember to keep the speeds and the settings everything same, and even let the video be of 10 seconds guys. So after that you need to open KineMaster, click on plus icon, select the 16:9 ratio and put in your black background guys. Keep it for around 15 seconds guys. Click on layer, media option guys. In the description in the Google Drive folder I have given a video, you need to use that video as the background video guys. It's a fire smoky particle video background guys. After that you need to import your exported fire text animation guys. You need to import them and unscreen them by clicking the blending and screen option guys. You need to do it for all the other letters guys. So guys, while watching the video in KineMaster application, you may notice that the video may get hanged or it gets stuck guys. It happens because of a lot of layers have been inserted at just one place guys. So there's no need to break your head guys. Just export your video and watch your video with the help of the video player provided in your phone. Everything would be proper, so no worries about that guys. So guys, once you are done importing and unscreening all your videos, you are ready to rearrange them in a proper manner. So you can see that the sizes are different for each video. So you need to just resize them properly and put them in the center. You need to resize all the letters. So guys, once you are done resizing and arranging your letters, you are ready. Your video is ready, and let's give some final touch for this. So once you get this golden image out here, just add it as a layer. You can take a clip of it and add it as a layer. So as I said, the video is getting stuck and hang. It's just like as I had said earlier. So no need to break your head. So capture and add it as a layer. And make your capture full screen. And then click on layer, go to media option, and then you need to import the white background. And then you need to make it full and go to cropping option and crop it. So we'll give a shining effect for this. Then click on mask option and then do the feather adjustment accordingly, and then give animation for it. And then for the white background, come to the blending and click on overlay option, guys. This would give a shining text effect. So you are ready for it, guys. Your video is very much ready. And then click on the capture and click on duplicate option, guys, and then bring your duplicated image a bit towards the right. So let's give one final touch out here. So split your main background, that's the black, and give a good transition for it, and that is winner splash. So 4 winner splashes are given, you can use any of them. I prefer you use the first transition effect of winner splash, and keep the speed around 1. Do a bit of adjustment as required, and you're done with your video. You can add some bonus features, like you can put the cinematic frames, you can add some nice cool music, and that would also like improve your presentation skills. But here I'm just giving an idea, so I have not added them. So once all adjustments and effects are put in, click on the settings option, go to video, and enable the video fade in and video fade out option, guys. This is optional, but this improves your presentation skills. Cause I'm not adding the cinematic frames and the music, I'm doing this, guys. So now your video is ready. Click on the export option. Resolution you can keep it 720p and frame rate 60, and then you can the other resolution you can keep it a bit towards the lower end. So guys, I hope you all like the video. I know it's a bit lengthy process, but still you can get some good optimum results in your Android phone by doing this. So do like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon and change the notifications to all notifications. Your one like can make my day, guys, and your one subscription can make me so much happy, and you are going to motivate a person by doing that. So stay tuned on our channel, guys. So nothing for now, we'll be back with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye, guys.